go like that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my show. My name's Audrey. Today we're gonna do ice cream strawberry.
Yay!
Okay, now let's put this. Okay, let's tell you ingredients first. Okay, here's strawberry, milk, sugar, vanilla, and heavy. I don't know how I put that. Mommy, can you help me?
Yeah, that is heavy cream.
Heavy cream. Okay, first things first. Put the strawberry in here. Don't worry. Yeah, asking those to mix these strawberries in.
You might want to do one by one.
Now we do one by one. 1, 2, that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot. I think that's perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, just leave it here. Now let's put the ingredients in there. Okay, now I can put sugar in. And then you gotta mix. Where's the mix
Can
at?
you see the mix?
Yeah. Well, you can see the mix with my whisk. Let's see this. So that's gonna be sweeter. Strawberry ice cream I never made.
Is this your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time. I never make strawberry dips. I strawberry ice cream, but this is my first time.
Can we see it? Can you show us the bowl?
Yeah.
The inside? Let me see.
Oh, I see green
Uh,
inside there. Okay. Oh, do you smell that, kids? That was
no, I can't smell it.
You do.
What does it smell like?
It smells like strawberry ice cream.
Now I can smell it.
What is going to you, you can smell it. And what is going to me, you can't smell it. Okay. I think that's enough.
Wow. Enough mixing? Okay.
We're gonna wait out 5 minutes. This is a while. I think it's done. Is it done, baby?
No, that was 5 seconds.
I can't.
Okay, 5 minutes. We have to wait 5 minutes
That's
before we mix
easy.
the other ingredients.
That's taking so long. Okay, now let's put the rest of my ingredients. After 5 minutes. Vanilla. Nope, there's one. Milk. Oh, don't want to drop it. And heavy cream. So heavy. I think there is a little bit more. Okay, that's good enough. Now you mix. The taste is like strawberry. Kids, do you smell that? Now do you smell? I'm ready to you. Okay, that smells good. And is it? Okay.
So you're mixing?
Okay.
Okay, we'll get a little close up of that. get the freezer bowl.
Freezer bowl. Let's get the freezer bowl, I think. Let's get it. Now I've done my ice cream mix. Now I put it in my machine. You gotta put it slowly or else it gonna fall down. That's a lot of ice cream. How many ice cream is that? Let's get this. Now I gotta wait at 20 minutes. Okay, well I think it's ready. Let's count how many bowls. Now we count how many bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we need 4 spoons. One, 2, 3, 4. Spoon is useless. Oh, my scooper. Okay, that's perfect. A little bit more. That's a lot. This. Okay. Well, for Grandma, perfect. Delicious. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe.
No, make sure you subscribe.
Please subscribe. Bye. Well, go like that.